Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. I am a cash stuffer here on YouTube and TikTok, and we are going to do a cash stuffing today. So we are going to be stuffing $472 on my other video that is posted yesterday. We just finished our paycheck planner, and this is the form that I use to do our zero-based budget. I do make these and sell them in my Etsy shop, and there is a whole kit available there to help you through your journey, including withdrawal slips for your cash amounts at the teller, how to calculate what bills to get. So I do hope that you will take the time to check that out. All right, so to get started today, we're going to do my very favorite and unstuff the wallet. So let's get started. I'm going to keep this right here so we can see it and see what our sinking funds are getting stuffed with. And let's get started, y'all. All right, so first things first, we are going to stuff our savings. And we are going to use this right here. We're going to put $20. All right. So when we go to count the debt envelope, I have a little story for y'all today, but this is 100, 200, 320. And I'm going to go ahead, because I don't really have time after this video to do this. I am going to do, I'm going to update my trackers just really fast. All right, and then for car, there's nothing going in this week. For debt, we are putting the $100. And I know if you saw my last video, you saw that there was $812 in this envelope. And then my car broke down. And so now there's only $246. We are adding 100, so let's count it. 100, 200, 300, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. I guess there's 241. I may have done some math wrong. So let's count that one more time. 100, 200, 300, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41. So there's $341 in this envelope. All right, so we're going to move right along. All right, for our son's college, we're going to add the normal 12. I feel like this part is always a little awkward. Okay, and so now we have 100, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 410, 420, 430, 435, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $438. That's not right. 1, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 10, 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 438. There we go. Alrighty then. Once this hits 500, we will go deposit it. All right. Oh yeah. $2. We get to actually add into this envelope. It has been a rough couple weeks. And we actually had some rollover, which is awesome. I love doing these little extra savings challenges. Also, if you look in my Etsy shop, we're going to start this next week, but there's a very super cute, there is a super cute, it's fall, y'all, savings challenge to kind of save up for any expenses that we need. So, all right, here we go. Going on. Oh my gosh, guys. So we're going to take out of groceries, and we are going to go put it into my wallet. This video is a little disjointed today, but to fill those up as we go. All right, so vacation is getting its normal 30. And that's going to be 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. All right, let's start that over. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, $310. Woohoo! And this envelope is about to go in my wallet. All right, family fun is getting its normal 5. We're going to add that in. Now, we're actually not going to take this envelope because I'm planning on this for something else. So 20, 40, 65, 75, 80. $80. Pets is getting its normal $1. $20, 40, 65, 6, 7, 8. Those dollars, y'all, they're still powerful. All right, and then we are going into date night, and date night is getting its normal 5. 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95. It's almost to 100, and then it is date night time. Woohoo, woohoo. All right, car maintenance isn't getting anything. Miscellaneous is getting its normal 10. Now the miscellaneous is going to come with us just in case to kind of help buffer anything that any cost we incur on our little vacation. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $101. That fund is coming along nicely. All right, and then we have personal is getting $10 for my hubby. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $130. It's definitely Friday. All right, so you'll see that our sticky note right here is empty. We spent all that money on my mother-in-law. It was her birthday, and so we spent the money like it was intended, and we are going to go ahead and put that 67 into the account. So if you've been watching our other videos, you know that in the front, and we just use a Post-it to separate as a tab divider. 40 is in the front for adults, and then behind that is the money for like our son's birthday or like any kids' birthdays that come up. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $196. And our son's birthday is not until November, so that's good. All right, beauty's not getting anything. Shopping is getting its normal 12. And we'll probably take this envelope with us as well. So So 10, 21, 2, 3, 4. $24. All right, so then we're going to take this dining out. We're going to take out 40 to put in my wallet. And in spending, we're going to take out 50 to put in my wallet. And then we are going to come back over here. And we have $35 left over. And I think what happened is I think I skipped Christmas. Yeah. I skipped Christmas. So you probably got that before me. And we're going to add our normal 35. And this amount has changed a few times. It just kind of varies depending on what kind of month we know we're going to have. All right, so here we go. 150, 250. So that's 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 390, $405. Oh my gosh. We are getting there so quickly. I'm so proud of us. Oh my God. I love this way of budgeting. All right. So let's finish up with my wallet. Before we go, we are going to put some other envelopes in here. Okay. So first one is we're going to take vacation out. And we will update the tracker when we get back. Oh God. You know when you like don't want to get your fingers. I was trying not to get my fingers. Okay. And we're going to leave family fun. We're going to leave pets and date night and this. And we're going to take maintenance, miscellaneous with us as well. Okay. And then we're going to take personal. And I think we're going to leave shopping. Okay. And that is what we're going to take with us. And so that's the kind of super cool thing about this wallet is when I need to add funds, I can take directly out of my binders, still keep it in this wallet that is super easy to do and use and keep with me. It's not super big and bulky. And just take it right along, shove it closed, and I have that money with me. So that is all from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.